you all for coming dito sa ating tree planting activities. Yesterday, mayroon kaming presentation ng preparatory works para sa study natin for, sabi natin, phase 6 na ng project ng Pasig Marikina. Isa sa mga napag-usapan doon yung about environmental, yung tree planting. Ang ginagawa kasi natin, alam naman ng lahat na puputol tayo ng puno na mga apektuhan, then we just replace yung seedlings. Pero ang problema ng DNR is how to plant those trees o yung mga seedlings o yung mga halaman natin sa nursery. O napalitan natin, however, there is not enough manpower to plant those trees. And this is a great opportunity for us na masimulan na ang tree planting kasama ng ating project. Hopefully, this will not be the only tree planting activities na gawin natin. Kung kumanggang pa natin, hopefully by next year also, magkaroon tayo. Palimula lang to, tignan natin kung ano yung magagawa natin, hanggang saan yung kaya natin, and then hopefully we can continue this one hanggang 2030, hanggang sa matapos yung contract package 1 natin.
As part of the Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement Project Phase 4, the DPWH through the Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement Project supports the tree planting activities of DNR. This is our tree planting activity for this year and hopefully more to come.
Matagumpay na po nating naitanim ang mahigit 3,000 seedlings dito sa Lamesa Water Park.
Ang gagawa nila nagpapasalamat sa CTI, sa Toyo Shimizu Joint Venture, sa Toyo Construction Incorporated Limited, at ang THI-JB, kung saan sila po ang mga contractor sa ating Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement Project Phase 4. Maraming salamat. At also sa PICEQC for supporting this tree planting activity. Thank you.
Patuloy po namin itong isasagawa hanggang sa matapos sa ating proyekto na Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement Project Phase 4. Salamat.